Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to quickly add a bank account to your PayPal and easily link it. It's pretty simple and easy. First of all, make sure to log in with your correct credentials. After that, in the bar section, go to wallet. You can see you can either link a credit card or a bank account. You can select link a bank account. After that, select the plus button. From here, you can link the bank account using the account number. So make sure to put the right information. After that, PayPal will send you this message, which means that it will send you two small deposits which are less than 50 cents. You'll be receiving those amounts in less than 5 days. So it's very important, guys, that you take into consideration those two deposits in order to confirm and link your bank account with PayPal. After that, click OK. You wait for the short period of time, which is from 3 to 5 days. If you go to PayPal, you can see the section in orange with the process message. So when you receive those two amounts, you click confirm in 2-3 days. Make sure to follow the instructions, like checking your bank account after this period of time before the verification expires. After that, log into your PayPal account, go to your wallet, and then confirm the bank by entering those two deposits amount, and your bank should be successfully linked. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.